Hello and welcome to my channel. For recipe and instructions, see bottom page. This pan-seared Atlantic salmon, served over a bed of lemon parsley risotto, it's the perfect balance of bright citrus, creamy texture and rich flavor. Made with Carnaroli rice, Parmigiano Reggiano, fresh lemon zest, and finished with butter and fresh parsley. This dish is elegant enough for guests but simple enough for home cooking. If you love classic Italian technique with a modern touch, this recipe is for you. Instruction: lemon parsley risotto. Finally dice the shallots in a medium pot. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over low-medium heat. Add shallots and cook gently until fragrant and translucent. No browning. Add the Carnaroli rice and stir continuously for 1 to 2 minutes until lightly toasted. Deglaze with white wine. Stir until mostly evaporates. Add the water and lemon zest. Stir to combine. Cover and cook on low heat for about 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Remove from the heat and set aside. Let's pan-sear the salmon. Portion the salmon into 8-ounce fillet and pat dry. Season both sides with sea salt, white pepper, turmeric, and paprika. Heat a skillet over low-medium heat with olive oil. Add butter. Once bubbling, place the salmon flesh side down. Sear for 3 minutes per side until golden and cooked through. Remove from the pan and rest briefly. Let's finish the risotto. Uncover the rice and return to low heat. Stir in lemon juice, grated Parmigiano Reggiano, chopped parsley, and butter. Mix until creamy. If slightly dry, add a small splash of water and stir until smooth. Use a 12-inch flat round plate. Place a ring mold in the center and fill with risotto. Remove the mold carefully. Top with the seared Atlantic salmon, garnish with parsley or lemon zest, and serve warm. If you enjoyed this recipe, like and subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next.